Allison Transmission is scheduled for a $500 million IPO, but is it going to be as successful as another former GM company, Delphi? So Francis, when we look at the company, it's a leader in many of its markets, and it has that GM pedigree, so will they be good in the public market?
Well, I think they will. They're coming public at about a $4 billion market cap. It's a $500 million IPO, she said, so there should be stock around. In summary, what I think it'll come out. I think it'll do okay. There's stock around. I think it'll go up over time. What they have is they have a dominant premier position in fully automatic transmissions for large vehicles, which include garbage trucks and buses and off-road vehicles. So, and that's there's a lot of technology behind that. There's a lot of new technology coming out. But on a financial basis, they have a tax shield of about $1 billion in present value. Left over from when they were acquired in August of 2007 from GM. And so if you take that, if you deduct that from the market cap, and then you look at the earnings and adjust it just for ongoing earnings, they're really coming public at around 10.5 times trailing 12 months, which looks very promising. They have a dividend. They're going to pay a 1% dividend. It looks like they'll be able to increase that. Their capital expenditure rate is low. It's 5% of sales. Their gross margin is 43%, which is pretty high. Their working capital is only need 10% of sales. So I think it's very strong financially. It'll do well over time. They're got a very good position in India and China, so I think those are growth markets. So the top line revenue visibility is very good. They have about 250 OEMs around the world. They're locked up with 3 to 5 year contracts. So I think the entry barriers to competition are very, very high for this company.
All right, and you did mention the price range is roughly in the mid-range of $23, so it could come in maybe a little bit lower than that, but that doesn't worry you because they've got so many good things going on that you like it even if it does price below its planned range.
Yeah, if you look at Delphi, that came the midpoint of the price range I think was something like 22. It came at 19 or 20. It traded down. And now it's up about 50% from the IPO price. So yes, even if it trades down over time, it should do okay.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to